I'm sure you've heard the news. Jamaican Blackstone is creating a buzz. Want to know why? This isn't just another delay spray. Jamaican Blackstone is a natural remedy derived from concentrated tree sap and herbs. No chemicals, no fuss. It's designed to help you last longer, feel more confident, and enhance intimacy with your partner. Imagine this. A few drops, a little rub, and you're all set to enjoy a more fulfilling experience. Users rave about its effectiveness and the boost in confidence it brings. Plus, it's discreet and easy to use. So why settle for less? Choose Jamaican Blackstone and rediscover the joy of intimacy. Remember, it's not about just lasting longer. It's about connecting deeper. Jamaican Blackstone. Rediscover intimacy, naturally. Confidence in every touch. Ready to give it a try? Head to our website and unlock the power of Jamaican Blackstone today.